Before we start, watch this video to the very end, or you could be the next one to lose your job. I'm going to show you 5 reasons why AI could replace your job sooner than you think. Pay close attention. This could affect you. Job number 1, data entry. AI can do this task 20 times faster and with 0 errors. Think about that. Job number 2, customer support. AI chatbots reply 24/7. Instantly. No breaks, no mistakes. Job number 3, content writing. AI writes scripts, blogs, reports in seconds, faster than any human can. Job number 4, photo editors. AI removes backgrounds, retouches, photos, and color grades, all automatically, in a few seconds. Job number 5, cashier. Self-checkout AI machines are already replacing cashiers in the USA and UK, and it's happening fast. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly what you can do to save your job, how you can upgrade your skills, and make sure AI doesn't replace you. Stay tuned, because this could change your future. Let's take a look at how AI is replacing these jobs, and more importantly, how you can save yourself, because the future is coming fast, and only skilled people will survive. AI won't replace people, but it will replace people who don't learn AI. Job number 1, data entry. AI can do data entry 20 times faster and with 0 errors. Think about that. Why is it being replaced? Because AI reads documents, fills forms, processes everything automatically. No breaks, no mistakes. How to stay safe? Learn Excel automation, data tools, and basic data analysis. Don't do the task, be the person who controls the AI. Job number 2, customer support. AI chatbots reply 24/7. Instantly, no waiting. Why is it being replaced? Companies save money. Customers get faster answers. Simple. How to stay safe? Learn AI support tools, CRM systems, and emotional communication. AI handles simple questions. You handle the complicated ones. Job number 3, content writing. AI can write scripts, blogs, reports in seconds. Why is it being replaced? Because AI generates drafts and research instantly. How to stay safe? Learn editing, storytelling, brand voice, and fact-checking. AI writes content, but only humans create emotion. Job number 4, photo editors. 1 click, and AI removes backgrounds, fixes colors, retouches faces in seconds. Why is it being replaced? Because simple editing is now fully automated. How to stay safe? Learn advanced editing, creative direction, and AI tools like Photoshop, AI Midjourney, Runway. AI can edit, but it cannot replace your creative vision. Job number 5, cashier. In the USA and UK, self-checkout AI machines are already replacing cashiers. It's happening. Why is it being replaced? Stores want faster checkout and lower costs. How to stay safe? Learn POS systems, AI store management, and retail automation tools. Be the person who runs the system, not the one replaced by it. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to challenge you. Grow your skills. Upgrade yourself. Because human creativity will always stay ahead. Did this help you understand the future better? Tell me in the comments. And stay tuned. The next video might change the way you think again.